a USB cable and a power bank. So nothing inside the box, so let me remove the power bank. So this is the power bank. It feels very heavy, and the weight of this is around 256 gram as per Flipkart's description. So it looks like this, and there's a small leaflet also over here, as you can see. All basic instructions, so no need to bother that. Then this is a USB cable from iPro. Yeah, so let's see the power bank itself. So as you can see, this power bank is a small compact design. As you can see, this is 10,400 mAh capacity, and the output first has 1 ampere max, and the second one is 2.1 ampere max. So let us see it has any charge or no. Yeah, it has some charge. As you can see, the light is glowing. So we'll be checking out and testing the power bank now. So let me remove the USB cable. So let me keep this string aside, and let me take my mobile phone now. So this is my mobile phone. Let me check if it is working or not. So I'm using the original iPro's USB cable only. So I'll be connecting this port. Okay, it is like this. Yeah, it is charging. As you can see, the indicator shows it is charging. I think so you might not see because it is not focusing. Yeah, there it is charging. So the initial impression of this power bank is good because it is for really cheap price. So, and the build quality of this also is really good, and the feeling of this power bank is really nice. So it has also this some safety mark, and it has some LED light over here. So if you charge this thing, I think it will glow. So it has two ports. First one is 1 ampere, 5 volt 1 ampere, and the second one is 5 volt at 2 ampere. And for the charging, you can charge it from this port. So it's a good, and the weight also is compressible. It's good only, not bad at all. And it is compact also, so you can carry in your pocket anywhere and travel. So it's very good, and it has some 4 LED lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just 2 are glowing now. I think so it is not fully charged, so it will take some time to charge. So let me know how do you like this power bank in the comment section. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel so that I can make more and more videos. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.